Welcome to Ultimate DIYer. Today's episode's going to take place at the world-famous Stroker's Ice House in Dallas, Texas, owned by Rick Fairless. And what you're looking at right now is asphalt that we're about to replace with concrete. This particular area is where patrons sit to eat or have a ice-cold beer. It's decades old and in extremely bad shape. You'll also notice that there's a mixture of concrete and asphalt, just like the square on the screen right now. We're going to leave that square but rip everything out around it. You'll notice a little bit later you'll see me actually cutting through some of the asphalt with a circular saw. So the demo begins. I basically had to break a small hole in the asphalt so that I could get under it to start trying to pry it loose. This was all extremely tedious. That steel bar gets heavy extremely quick, and it was an extremely tedious day. We had to keep filling up the wheelbarrow and dumping it on site. It didn't take too long to figure out there had to be an easier way, so we used the forklift and the forks to try to break up the asphalt in bigger chunks. I had to cut a straight line through the asphalt since we weren't taking all the asphalt out, just this section. I used a concrete blade which cut through the asphalt pretty easily. Didn't even really make much dust. You'll notice that I had to get a small piece of plywood to use because the tires kept getting stuck in the dirt at this point. Please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Be sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. More and more pounding. So we're winding down day one. We're going to have to go ahead and rope everything off so no one trips or falls in the area that we're working on, even though it's probably at this point only about 2 inches deep. Day two, we're going to go ahead and dig down 3.5 to 4 inches and be ready for concrete. Thanks for watching.